Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the area of a square and understand the formula side squared. Before we look at squares, let us remember how to find the area of a rectangle. For any standard rectangle, we calculate the area by multiplying its two dimensions, the length times the width. Now, what exactly is a square? A square is a special type of quadrilateral shape. It has 4 equal sides, meaning every side is the same length. It also has 4 right angles, each measuring 90 degrees. Think of a square as a very specific type of rectangle. In a normal rectangle, the length and width are usually different. However, if you shorten the length or increase the width until they are exactly equal, that rectangle becomes a square. Since a square is a rectangle, we can use the same logic. We know the area of a rectangle is length times width, but in a square, the length is the side, and the width is also the side. So, the area is simply the side multiplied by the side. This gives us our specific formula for squares. Area equals s squared. Here, the letter s stands for the length of one side. Saying s squared is just a shorter mathematical way of saying s multiplied by itself. Why do we use the word squared for the exponent too? Look at this grid. If a side is 3 units long, the area is 3 times 3, which equals 9. Visually, this creates a perfect square shape made of 9 smaller blocks. The arithmetic operation creates the geometric shape. Let us try an example. Suppose we have a square with a side length of 6 centimeters. To find the area, we multiply 6 by 6. The result is 36. And do not forget the units. The answer is 36 square centimeters. Here is another example with a larger square. If the side is 10 meters, we calculate 10 squared. 10 times 10 equals 100, so the total area is 100 square meters. To summarize what we learned today, a square is just a rectangle with equal sides. The formula for its area is side squared, and always remember to express your final answer in square units.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.